Alright, got a new product for you guys. New tool, if you will. So, we're always trying to improve our process, improve our how we do things, improve our products, everything. We don't just stick with the same old thing just because it works. So, I've always kind of disliked fitting and setting transmission 4-bolt flanges that we have because they wobble all over the place on the tube. Like, there's a lot of play in them, back and forth and like side to side and everything. So it's really hard to get them straight and square and all that. So came up with this little guy. Just clicks onto the tube just like that. These are just 3D printed. And then you can just bolt through it. Just like that. And I'm not going to tighten any of this up or anything, but if you were actually setting these, then you would tighten them up. But, yeah, so we came up with this because this will allow you to hold the flanges square, or at least very, very close to square with the tube. And we put this little flat spot on here. Come on, tighten up. There we go. So that you can set a protractor on here. Turn this thing on here. And then you can get your flanges level. And then obviously this will hold it this way. And then if you need to rotate it side to side, you just spin the whole thing and it'll spin it. But I mean, it holds it really square with the tube, square this way and this way. So it works really good. We have them for 1 5/8", 1.5 inch, and 1 1/4 inch. So all the size flanges that we have in stock, we have these for them now too. So.